that one, we're showing about that in the field too. Around,
A lot of people think, oh yeah, I want to go fly a helicopter, and it's just flying. Flying's a very small part of it. The book work is immense. I'm a very hands-off instructor. I'm not going to let us get to the danger area. Basically, I'm going to introduce you to the controls of a helicopter.
This is called our cyclic. Okay, this controls our left, right, forward, and back.
We'll teach you how fast you can go, how slow you can go. Just a quick overview of the helicopter. It's a two-bladed system. So up here's the main rotor, and then at the back you got the tail rotor. It's American-made helicopter, so the blades are going to spin counterclockwise. The training itself will be very basic and fun training.
If you want to go right, you push the pedal. You push the right pedal, it goes right.
You'll learn about the SFAR 73, which is a special rule that Robinson has for the R-44. Basically, the Robinson Helicopter Company,
And when I pull that up,
they have their own
we go up.
special rules that you have to follow to be able to fly it, and that you have to know before you can manipulate the controls. Because they're a low energy rotor system, so you have to know how to manage that energy. All the safety requirements you meet, and then once we discuss all those, then we'll actually go out to the helicopter. And then we will go out and fly.
And when you want to go up, simply just raise this up.
Look at my hand, okay? If I want to go to the right, it's just a real, I'm not even just barely moving my wrist.
But once we're in the air,
I'll go ahead and let you take the controls.
the main control they'll be working is called the cyclic. It makes you go forward, back, left, right.
Row of hangers right there. Okay, we're just going to head towards that.
They will be the primary manipulator of the control. Like my hand will be guarding the control. It's very safe. Yeah, it'll be fun training. You might learn something.
And I love every moment of it. Definitely come do this. Listen to Robin. Come do this. Be at PittsburghHeli.com. Please come visit and have the experience for yourself.